Hi everybody, Danny here. Sorry about yesterday, but doctor's appointments and you know how that goes. Everything's fine. Let's head on over and finish off our painting, okay? I'll meet you at the easel. And here we go. Again, I'm sorry about yesterday, but you know, since I've gotten to be my age, I spend more time in doctor's offices than I've spent in my entire life. But everything is under control. We're doing okay. So I guess it was all right. Okay. You can see I put some little marks in there that kind of pretend they're tree forms. And that's just to help with the illusion that it's trees over there. And we're putting some forms in here again to give the illusion that, you know, this is tree stuff hanging out over the water. Okay, just like that. Okay, well, there we go. We'll get it right out to the edge of it. Okay, throw some dark in with the light and scrape a branch or two in like that. And we're pretty much ready to call this painting complete. Okay, I can come in here and I could put a few highlights on the rocks just by using some white, just like that. We'll put a few highlights here. There we go. A simplistic watercolor painting done in such a manner that it actually looks like what we expect watercolor painting to look like. And if I can get this stuff to come off and clear the edges, we'll be in good shape. This is always kind of a sticky time. No pun intended, you know. Is the tape going to come off? Is it going to come off without giving us a bunch of headache or tearing through the middle of the painting? But it's doing just fine. Thanks for being with me. I appreciate all of you. Now tomorrow we'll start a new adventure. So please be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, comment, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We got her done. Tomorrow, we're going to start a special lesson series, okay, for my daughter, Tessa. Be with me then. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.